drop all the way to third. That would suck. It'd suck more.
It's going.
Man, I hit something hard off that.
Oh, you fell off it hard, yeah.
I don't know what I hit, but I might actually
I'll have
hit
to look
something.
at this later, yeah. I know
Yeah.
you hit your rams a few times, but I don't think they got any
My
damage.
front one's been already from yesterday. So that one's getting replaced.
Yeah.
That rear one though, I don't know, maybe I'm sending them too.
Yeah.
Oh, well, second place. It's a tough course. Jeff put the pressure on me. Proud of him. It was super fun weekend to put that much pressure on guys like
No,
Jesse
you were
Haynes.
putting pressure on them. You were killing it this weekend.
So it's that's not the usual me. So it's pretty fun.
Yeah.
And let's see if we can make it the usual me.
Yeah. And this is the only event you made it to this year, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Other family commitments and stuff kept me out of it. You know, this is an extra thing.
Yeah.
So if I could make it more, I would. But
Yeah. No, but I get it. Yeah. It takes a lot of commitment to be able to do them all.
yeah.
So, but thanks for coming out. Cool watching
Yeah.
you.
Thanks for being here. It's super fun. And every time I do this, I can't wait to do the next one.